Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda 3 horn. First, ensure your vehicle is off and disconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10 mm wrench for safety. Next, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and possibly a jack and jack stands if you need more access. The horn is usually located behind the front bumper or grille, so you'll need to access that area. To reach the horn, you'll likely need to remove some components. This often involves detaching the front bumper or a portion of the fender liner. Use a trim removal tool to gently pry out any plastic clips or fasteners holding these parts in place. Be careful not to damage them. Once you have a clear view, observe how the old horn is connected, especially its wiring. Now it's time to remove the old horn. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it free. Then, use your wrench to unscrew the mounting bolt that secures the horn to the vehicle's frame. Once removed, take your new horn and attach it to the same mounting point. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly to ensure proper function. With the new horn installed, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before reassembling everything, test the horn to ensure it's working properly. If it sounds good, proceed to reattach the bumper or fender liner, securing all clips and bolts. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.